Come on. What they say, huh? What they say, huh? What they say, huh? What they say, huh?
Hey guys, welcome back to Tiny Home Designs. We're going to focus on LEED, which stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. It focuses on water efficiency, sustainable sites, energy, and atmosphere. It literally wants to take architecture and allow this architecture to integrate comfortably into the environment. Here's a top view of the building, of the tiny home. Some preliminary ideas we put in there. Later we put in a mechanical room to help handle a lot of the electrical components of the building. Here's a top view of the entry kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom, all combined for about 256 square feet. On the building we have solar panels and we have a water collector which bodes well with this building and its purpose. Welcome to the home, tiny home life. Right now we're just going to take a view of the building and just enjoy the how the solar panels interact with the environment. In front of the building you have a pond where animals usually drink from it. And you also have fish in the pond as well. Pretty convenient if you want to go fishing. Right now we're looking at some ideas for the bathroom. Not the complete idea, but we're working towards it. Here's some conceptual ideas. Look into the back bedroom. Now we're going to do just a virtual walkthrough to show you how small the building actually is. And as we turn around, you notice that's where the refrigerator is. More ideas with the living room area. Later we put in some mirrors to add some aesthetics to the building.